another FIFA 17 pack opening. Today we've got another FIFA 17 pack opening, and if you guys saw the last pack opening, it was, well, if you didn't see it, this is what happened. So I'm hoping that I actually get good plays this time, and yeah. Let's do this. Right, so our first pack for today. Let's go. I'm praying that this is going to be a good pack opening. First pack, who are we going to get? Alright, good start. Alright, next pack, who are we going to get? It's a rare. Diego again. Oh, that could have been so funny. If I got Diego Costa again. Shit. If it happens again to me, it's twice in a row. If that happens again. Come on. Farman. Great. 84 rated. It's our best player so far. It's a decent pack. Alright, the packs actually aren't that bad, but we just got to get that star. We just got to get a walkout. I'll be very happy with a walkout. Alright, that's okay. Benteke. 81 rated, but, you know, Benteke. Come on. We've got to get something. Oi! Ah. Oh. Really? Again? Farman again. Surely EA can't do this to me, like, twice in a row. Like, a walkout, come on. Sinclair. Oh, that's Valencia. What rating is he? 80. Nope. Nope. They better not do this to me again. If they do this to me again, I'll... Alright, no later. I've already got him. Please. Okay, I'm starting to get worried. Oh, just piss off. That's okay. 84 rated. I've got bad bloody pack luck on this game already. Fucking hell. It's only the freaking early access. Okay, I'm getting very stressed out now. I haven't said anything, but holy shit. Oh my god, they're just cunts. I don't understand how people get so lucky and just pack Ronaldo like that. I know I packed the same players. Like 5 minutes ago I just got this guy. Oh my god. I like that player, Dembele, but I just want to walk out. Just give me a walkout. I seriously don't. I should just stop. I should honestly just stop. Cause what the fuck? Oh, it just. Lemos. Who the fuck is that? Why do I bother? Why do I bother? I was so pumped for this pack opening, thinking I was going to pack sick players. Draft token, sick. I'm not doing this anymore, I'm done.
Well, that was fucking dreadful.
Where are you?